Hello parents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm Vishnu Tejasvi, child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So today's topic is how gut and brain are connected in babies. So this session I wanted to tell you in a common layman language. So our gut and brain are friends. So they talk to each other with a bunch of nerves called autonomic nervous system, ENS. This basically helps in digestion. Did you ever observe when your baby is having indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, vomiting, any of these stomach related issues? And eventually baby will have mood swings, crankiness, upset. So, haven't you seen that they both are interrelated to each other? Their digestive system and a brain are in lineup. Think like they both are a tag team. Tummy issues are teaming up with the brain issues. These brain issues might show up as sleepless nights, babies waking up multiple times, crankiness, crying a lot, wants for milk. But actually, baby is not asking for milk. Baby might be having gas or stomach issues. So that we have to address. The reasons for the tag team trouble is because of the gut and brain are connected to each other. So there is a nerve highway called Wagner's nerve and that controls how the gut works. So when this highway gets bumpy, it sends signal to the brain where the brain will mess up with the mood swings in babies. So the good bacteria in our gut plays an important role and that produces happy signals to the brain. So when the gut is happy, and the whole physical activity will be very happy because it's controlled by the brain. Now, if the gut is really unhappy, then it sends bad signals to the brain. There you'll see all the mood swings, indigestion, food rejections, and then crankiness, not eating, everything. Whatever you see in your babies, like they are not usually normal, and then something is happening which you are unable to figure it out. Common causes of digestive upset in children: recurring courses of antibiotics, steroid medications, recurring gastrointestinal infections, worms and parasitic infections, symptoms associated with food allergies, intolerances, and sensitivities, deficiencies of nutrition, that's the gut need to function properly, low dietary intake of fiber such as vegetables, whole grains, beans, legumes, lentils, whatever the good foods that baby needs in everyday daily nutrition. And finally, the high dietary intake of processed foods. When you see your baby is having tummy issues, automatically their brain issues also starts. So make sure that you're being a bit detective and then figure out what exactly your baby is having, what baby is not having. If you're unable to figure it out, you can always talk to me. I'm happy to help. Once we fix the tummy part, it's always brain also gets better too. And finally, finding and fixing is the only solution.